Flying Bear Laser Man. To show you how to get it set up in Laser GRBL and in Lightburn, coming up. I'm Roger, welcome to the shop, and here I've got the Flying Bear Laser Man laser right here in front of me, and I've done the assembly video on it, and I did a video on making the spoil board and that type of thing. What I'm going to show here is how to get it connected in both Laser GRBL and Lightburn. It is not difficult. If you've worked with other lasers, you already know the process, but if you're new to this, I'll walk you through it here. This is a short video. I'll take you onto the computer, show you how it works. Doesn't take very long. So what do we need to do to get this Flying Bear laser connected? Well, we'll start out with Laser GRBL. And you need to have your laser connected and turned on. So I just did that. It's not going to work if it's not turned on. And yes, all that beeping is normal when it starts up. So Laser GRBL you can download from Laser GRBL website. I think it's also supplied with the laser, but I still suggest you go and get the most current version from the website. So a little thing up here called Tools. If you've never installed a laser or 3D printer or one of these types of things, you're going to have to install the CH340 driver. Just click on that. Say yes. It's already installed on here. I'm just doing it again to show you how to do it. And install. Driver install success. We can close that. We need to go up here to where it says, well, you'll need to know what COM port you're on. I'm on COM 7 here. Connect. Oh, it's denied. I got to find out why that is. Okay, I discovered my problem. You cannot have Cura running a 3D printer and this open at the same time. So I had to close Cura. So go up here to, of course now I'm on COM 5 because I switched COM ports. Just click connect and you are connected to your laser. And that right there, make sure you're unlocked. And this right here will take it home. Of course you can't see that here because I don't have a camera on the laser right now, but that'll take you home. That's all there is to getting connected to it in Laser GRBL. Then to disconnect, just click the button. Now we'll go on the Lightburn because that's a little bit more involved. So we'll open Lightburn up here. And this will of course restart the laser. Okay, for Lightburn, this is free to try for, I don't know, 30 or 60 days or something like that. You could download it from Lightburn website, get the most current version. License I think is $60. That gives you license to put it on 2 computers, and if you ask them real nice, they'll let you put it on a 3rd one. After that, additional licenses are $10, and I have quite a few of them because I have quite a few lasers. So what we want to do here is add this laser. So depending on how your screen comes up, you're going to need to get under the laser window right here, and you're going to click on devices, and you can click on find my laser. And it may not find this one. This one may be too new of a model. And it did not. So we have to go back and enter it manually. So this is not hard. Click on create manually. It's a GRBL laser. Next. I'll be using serial USB connection. So next. So you got to call it something. Flying Bear Laser Man. Now down here you'll need to put in your size. Of course I happen to be working in inches here. The x-axis on this is 400 millimeters. That translates over inches to 15.75. 15.74 if you really want to get technical. 15.748. Y-axis length in millimeters is 450. In inches, that's 17.7. Click on next. and it'll auto home to front left. Click on next, and it'll round out the size of 16 by 18 origin to front left. Finish to add your device. Click OK. Now you'll go down here to find that laser. So our Flying Bear Laser Man right there, we're on COM5, and it connected and it homed. So now there's one more thing I want to do, is if you go up here to the move button, you'll see there's no laser fire button, so you can't fire that laser. So if you go over here to edit, down here to device settings, you'll see right here there's a little thing that says enable laser fire button. And I like to have the laser on when framing, so I also click that. Just click OK, and that will appear over here. And I will set this at 1%. Don't set it very high or you'll start engraving on things you don't want to. That's all there is to getting it set up in Lightburn. So, that's all there is to it. Just that easy. So now you're ready to start engraving and cutting and getting creative. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. I'm Roger in the shop. Flying Bear, Laser Man. Laser, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.